Hello, this video is about helping you with the balance sheet. And in this assignment we have net revenue, cost of sales. We have it all filled out in the reporting in the income statement, as you see here. And why do we have that? We have that because we need this figure. If we move back to watch this one, then we need to go down to see what's the first figure we need here. We have to fixtures and fittings and equipments. We need to go down here from this part to this part. And why do we need that? We need that because we need to go in and look at the situation with how much assets we have first. As you see here, assets here. What you basically need to do is you need to fill them in. So the important thing here in this case is you have fixtures and fittings here, but you need to subtract the accumulated depreciation because that's not the value of the fixtures and fittings anymore. It means, for example, if you buy a sink, you say, okay, we depreciate it over a 5-year period of time, and this is how much depreciation accumulated, in Danish it means samlet, you need to subtract. Therefore, in order to get the right result, say this minus this, and that will be then the correct figure that you should place in. Did it just copy here? This will be equal to this. Okay. Then we have current assets. We have inventory, for example. And inventory is pretty straightforward. Is equal to this. Then next we have trade receivables, which is also pretty straightforward. And then we have prepayments, and bank deposits. And then we need to see what is the total, and that's equal to this plus this. It should work. Excel, I love you, but I don't really love you. And that's 87,000. Okay, now we go over to the other side, which is also symbolized by we move over into the credit period. And we need to put these things in. They're pretty much in line with this. Retained earnings. And here is where it's nice that we did the other one, because then we need to go into the income statement and fill in this. And then we have liabilities. Long-term liabilities. long-term loans. Yeah, and maybe it's more correct to place it here. Yes, and then we have credit institutions. You see? This. Let's see if we can do something smart here, which should help us out. Then now let's sum up. Yeah. And let's sum up here. And then let's see if it's fitting. Just this plus this. Voila, and it balances. The next part you can solve very easily now by knowing the equations and by knowing what you need to do. Super duper good.